Hey there, folks. I got another pair of Higgins Mill boots with the chrome axle with the factory second sale at Edmonds. I ordered this not too long after too long after I did the review on the other Higgins Mill with the the camel. So when I originally ordered these camel ones, they were 20% off, and then a few days later they became 30% off. So I called up Edmonds and they promptly applied the additional 10% to make it 30% off these boots. Awesome. And then because I was so impressed with those first Higgins Mill boots, I said, yeah, I'm gonna get another one. So I got these are, again, normally these Higgins Mill boots are normally $395. I got them with the 30% off on the factory seconds, folks. On the factory seconds, I got it for $192 before free shipping before taxes. $192. So that's like $200 off, folks. $200. So I'm so impressed. So I just got these and I didn't put them on yet. I just want to show you guys, again, the factory seconds, the conditions that you get it. And there are some very minor. I'm really so impressed. This is my third factory second shoes from Edmonds, and oh my God, I think that's just the way to go. I mean, these are lifetime guarantee, and you can, have the welts and the outsoles replaced. But I wanted to show you the quality of the boots. So these are, again, the Higgins Mill boots. Now these don't have the camo. These are the more standard one that looks more dressy, and again, it's got the famous Halloween leathers tag over there. And let's just take a quick look at it. You notice that on this particular boot there's really no loose grain that I can see in comparison to these. So you can see more of the loose grain on the camo, on the Halloween. This one does not have it. Right, it's a little slight different coloring on the welt as when compared to this one where the welt is darker. So I was like looking for loose threads, minor, not even a scratch, minor creasing, right? Loose thread, which you'd probably get in a regular boot that's not factory second anyway. You can just trim that off. I did notice that, so it's not loose grain, but there is some creasing on the uppers. But these are Dainite. Awesome. Look awesome. The stitching, the 360 Goodyear welt. Really phenomenal looking boots. So again, this was the first one that I took out of the pair. It looked pretty impressive. So then I examined the next shoe, and it still wasn't bad, folks. Still not bad. Some scratches on the uppers, on the Chrome XL right there. Looks good on that side. Really can't say much about that side. Top looks good. Ear is where the biggest damage, if you can call it that, is this deep scratch right here on the top. There's some glue, that's just glue that's gonna come off there. Get that off. And right there. That's it. I think that's the biggest blem on this pair of awesome Higgins Mill boots. I could live with that. $200 off. That right there got me a $200 discount. I'm so impressed. I wore my other ones yesterday when I went to a Broadway show with the girlfriend, and they were super comfortable. You can just feel like the midsole cork bed is just conforming to my foot. I'm so happy that I got this other pair. You notice that the difference is, if you look at the other review, and I'll post it on the end for the one with the camo, this one is suede. In fact, suede on the interior of the tongue. And it's got, of course, the glove leather lining. And again, 360 welt on the boot, on the welts. You can see there just like some minor stuff that I can just trim off, but that's really nothing to complain about. It's so impressed. These are so comfortable, folks. I'm so sold on these Higgins mill boots. I think factory second is the way to go. I mean, they're so awesome. I mean, I don't know. Excellent. I mean, the beautiful coloring. Let's see. I want to see if it's the same color. Yeah, I guess it's basically the same color. And you can see the difference just in the color of the welts. These are kind of badass. I was kind of like, I don't know, I'm not a flashy guy, but the jeans do cover it, so I was kind of like feeling a little bit self-conscious. But you know what? I was riding the subway yesterday and saw a couple of dudes checking them out. Now, I don't know if they're thinking this guy's a badass or this guy's a weirdo, but I was kind of feeling a little sexier with these boots. So I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna wear these with jeans, but I think I get away with wearing these with even with my suit. So super, super comfortable. Phenomenal. Excellent boots, folks. So just a quick overview for you guys. So if you haven't, you should really sign up for... Now, Alan Edmonds isn't sending me these. I just want you guys to have the same experience and the same benefits. You definitely should sign up for an email because there's just some amazing sales going on at Alan Edmonds for like a $400 boot. You're getting it for $200. That is a steal and a half. Steal and a half. Now, somebody commented, actually somebody commented that they were like annoyed that Alan Edmonds is doing these factory seconds, just slapping on material that's less than perfect and making a boot. So I don't know if that's exactly how factory seconds work. I don't know if the damage happens during the build or what this gentleman suggested, that they're just poor quality leather and they're just slapping it on just to make a factory second stock. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's the way it works. My thought was that, yeah, they were putting it together the way they would sell it. The whole goal was to sell it as a perfect Alan Edmonds perfect boot, right? And quality first quality, and then somewhere along the line it got damaged and their inspectors checked it out and said, you know what, we can't sell that. So factory second that bad boy. That is my understanding, but I could be wrong. I don't know. They're a pretty big company. Yeah, look at the heel. Beautiful. All right, guys, just a quick overview on these new boots. Gonna be wearing these nicely. I have lost my mind on Alan Edmonds. All right, guys. Peace.